Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping well. So today we are going to learn about birds, introduction and their names. So let's start. Birds, introduction and their names. Children, you all must have seen birds flying our surrounding places like garden, near a house and in the sky. They have two eyes, two legs. They have a hollow bones which help them to fly. There are around 10,000 birds in a whole world. Birds nest. Children, this is the bird's nest which they build on their own with the help of beak. You can see in the picture the birds live in a nest. Birds have a different shape of a beak with the different colors. Some have a long beak, some have a short beak. Peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. It has a beautiful feathers. Kingfisher. You can see kingfisher is orange and blue in color. It also has a long beak. Sparrow. Sparrow is a tiny bird. You can see it has a small beak. Crow. Crow is black and grey in color. It has a black beak. Pigeon. Pigeon has a small beak with red eyes. Woodpecker. Children, here you can see woodpecker has a long beak and the color is black and red. Dove. Dove is a full of a white. It has a red eye and a pink beak. Eagle. Children, we all know that eagle fly in the sky. It has a small beak. Parrot. Parrot is green in color with the red beak. Maina is a singing bird for her good voice. It has a red eye and a small beak. Ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. You can see the ostrich is long. Some birds do swim in the water. This is swan in white in color. Children, we get to see some birds in the night. This is owl. And this is bat. Bat also we get to see in the night. I hope you all understood the birds information. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.